Hey there! In this video, we'll learn about GutenKit's amazing scrolling effects feature. First of all, if you have GutenKit Pro installed on your website, just go to GutenKit Modules and activate the scrolling effects Parallax module. Now open a page in the block editor and add a title. To enable the scrolling effects, click on any GutenKit block you want and then go to the Advanced section. Find Motion Effects, click to expand it, and then enable the scrolling effects. Here you can customize your heart-out with options like vertical scroll, horizontal scroll, transparency, blur, rotate, and scale. You can also disable the effect for different device and screen sizes. Under the scrolling effects, you can customize the direction, speed, and viewport the vertical scroll however you want. You can also edit the rotate controls, including its speed, direction, and viewport. You can change the transparency effect and amount as well. You can customize the scale effect in the same way. Play around and find out the look that suits you best. Now you can view GutenKit's scrolling effects feature in action. You can install GutenKit right from the link in the description. Thank you for watching this video.